Welcome to this property in the Heritage community. It is a gated community. You will not be given a gate code. 2675 Whisper Ridge in Las Vegas, 89156. Check out the single-story property. This is a 2-car garage with lots of shelves, and the lot size is one of the largest in the community. It's over 7,000 square foot. The property itself is about 1650 square foot. It does have a newer HVAC unit, and there is no solar on this property. The HOA is approximately $50. There are straps, earthquake straps. We're going to enter the property through the garage into the laundry room. This homeowner had cats, so you will see some damage in the carpet by the cats. There are some water stains on the ceiling, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The smoke detectors are newly put in. So here is the hallway, and you will see this is bedroom number 2, secondary bedroom number 2. And the blinds probably need to go. They're a little bit older. That's the neighbor, looking at the neighbor to the right. And this bedroom does have a ceiling fan and a little bit of shelving in the closet, slider closet. And attic access is here. And this is the secondary bathroom. And it does have a shower in place, obviously, and a vent, and toilet. And this is actually with dual sinks. Okay, now we're going to the primary bedroom, which is basically towards the end of the home, towards the right. The carpet definitely needs some attention. Window coverings are a little old. The walk-in closet is a good size closet, very spacious for this size home. And there is 2 sinks in the bathroom, in the primary bathroom, and the shower is off track at the moment. Definitely needs to be addressed or cleaned, and there is also a tub that needs to be addressed, and the windows are good. I didn't see any issues with them. And there's 2 sinks, and there is a toilet on the left that needs to be changed. There's a sliding door over here, and here's the living space of the property. It has high ceilings and good lighting, and this is how you get into the kitchen. The kitchen has original cabinets, and it has a dishwasher. The blinds are a little bit tired. They do have high ceilings in here. Some of the carpet was taken off because of the cat smell. There is plenty of storage. Linoleum is peeling. Appliances are intact. So here's more pictures of the kitchen. I'm opening up the cabinets for you. You will see some of the cabinets. Dishwasher, sink, stove, fridge. The refrigerator works. There's a little bit of a ceiling stain on the top of the refrigerator. A little bit of stain underneath the sink. Cabinets looks good. Everything pretty much has been emptied out. Stove needs to be cleaned a little bit. All the utilities are on. Refrigerator works. The front door has been rekeyed, and the garage door works. There is a little bit of a stain in the garage. Let's go walk the backyard. This backyard is absolutely huge. And there's a window that's broken right next to the slider door. This is the broken window. Yep, broken glass window. This is subject property, and this is the neighbor on the left side. Isn't it a huge lot? Yep, neighbor to the left side, our property, and then this is the neighbor's yard to the right side. This is again a huge yard. There is an access from the front of the house on the left side. This is the left side of the property. Sprinkler system access, front of the house. This is the front of the house, needs some stucco work. This is the front of the house, and this is also the entry front of the house. Again, it's a newer HVAC system. Again, there's no solar. This is our subject property. There are sidewalks, left side of the front door. This is across the street. And basically there's a second gate for this community. And this is how the inside of the neighborhood looks like. There are speed bumps throughout the neighborhood. You can see the view of the mountains. We look forward to your cash offers. Feel free to reach out to me. Here's my phone number, and I look forward to closing this with you. Thank you.